Can you imagine the world without cement? In 2019, 4.1 billion tons of cement were produced worldwide. However, production capacity reached around 6.2 billion tons, meaning that the world have a production overcapacity of 44%. With a highly consolidated market and transportation cost increase over the past years, production efficiency and energy consumption reduction are key targets to achieve sustainability objectives in the cement manufacturing process. Aerzen is committed to contribute to those targets, doing what we best do, developing new products and service models for our end customers. I'm David Salazar, Regional Application Manager for Cement Application. Today we're going to talk about three main topics. First, we're going to go through an overview of all the possible applications for Aerzen products in a cement manufacturing process. Second, we're going to talk about the turbo, the most efficient technology in the market, now available for the most challenging application in a cement plant. And third, we're going to talk about rental, and a strategic partner for cement operation to support continuous operation. Since 1864, Aerzen has engineered high-performing machines for the industry, bringing the best of German expertise to support our customers. We have developed from a single machine factory into a global player, delivering reliable, high-performing and energy-efficient blowers and screw compressors all over the world. Along the way, we have led innovation in our field of complex and demanding applications and developed several new technologies, not only responding to market needs, but leading it forward. For example, one of the most challenging industries we are is cement, and we have learned our lessons from the application. Aerzen has presence in 8 main applications in the cement manufacturing process, some of which are critical. We're going to start with the raw material process. The first application is pneumatic conveying from the raw mill to the raw material silos. In that application, you can find Aerzen machines to pneumatic conveying the material. Second application will be silo homogenizing. That's very important because when you add the correct materials, you get the perfect mix to have a high-quality raw material for the production of cement. The third application related to raw material will be pneumatic conveying from the silo to the preheater tower, if there's one available, or directly to the kiln, depending on the technology used in the cement plant. The second section where you can find Aerzen blowers is the combustion or calcining. There, we're going to have the most critical applications in the whole plant, which are primary air or combustion air, that supplies the amount of oxygen needed for the combustion, depending on the type of fuel the cement plant uses, which can go from coal, petcoke, natural gas, biomass, or even tires, depending on the availability of the fuel. You can also convey those materials pneumatically to feed the feeder and then ended up in the calciner. The third section in which you can find Aerzen equipment is going to be finished cement. Of course, you're going to have to pneumatically convey finished cement from the mill to the silo. Then in the silo, you will have fluidization of the process, so it's easy for the last application, which is packing, and then you distribute cement. At Aerzen, we understand that every challenging application needs a different technology to best fit those needs in each application. Thank you.
Expect performance. Expect performance.